Tonight, troubling new data from the World Health Organization. The U.S. marked its deadliest 24 hours last week, with more than 2,900 lives lost to COVID-19.
The number of deaths that are accruing on a daily basis tell you what was happening maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago in terms of new infections. So we're going to see deaths continue to rise even as the epidemic starts to peak and decline.
The former FDA commissioner warning that when you take the New York tri-state out of the equation, the spread is more persistent.
There's about 20 states where the number of new cases on a daily basis is increasing, and the actual overall trend nationally is towards more hospitalizations and more new cases.
The virus has a firm grip on Gallup, New Mexico. It's so bad, the governor closed all roads in and out of the city.
They're turning people around.
But this resident got through.
I did make it through the roadblocks, so you do have to have some proof of residency.
The death toll in Michigan now tops 4,000 and has the highest fatality rate in the country. Data showing Detroit the hardest hit. In Worcester, Massachusetts, a top doctor at UMass Memorial reported 107 patients in his ICU Friday, calling it the worst day we've ever had. Cases continue to climb in New Jersey, but hospitalizations are down. The Garden State now joining New York in a Northeast consortium to boost the purchasing power for PPE, ventilators, and medical equipment. Today, Governor Andrew Cuomo announcing hospitalizations dropped below 10,000 for the first time since mid-March. During the height of New York's outbreak, we met doctors fighting to save lives.
What can I say? It's the end of the shift. Saturday, April 4th. Just a horrendous shift. We have right now 21 ventilators running here in this emergency department. In the hospital, we have roughly 90 ventilators running, and we only have a few left to spare.
I just got out of my 10-hour shift, and it feels like playing dominoes every single minute over 10 hours straight, feeling like any one of your patients is about to fall and collapse.
A month later, they're seeing progress, but the victims still weigh heavy on their hearts.
I could recall a few who were dying, and the last person that was with them when they died was me.
Today, Dr. Ernest Patty sharing lessons learned.
Can't take anything for granted.
And 3 reasons for staying motivated.
They're the reason why I'm so happy, I can tell you that.
It's so devastating. Kathy's with us in Central Park. Because of the decrease in hospitalizations, what's happening to that field hospital behind you?
Well, Kate, they will actually stop taking new patients starting tomorrow. And in total, 191 COVID-19 patients have been treated at this location since April 1st.